Hey there guys, it's Brenda from Stellar Evolution Designs. Today I have some packages to open and with me I have some lovely MSDs. Here, Lucis from Brenda from Stellar Evolution Designs. I've got some packages to open today and some of them are for trial on some of my MSDs. And a USD hiding in the background here. So let's get started. They're ready to help me out. We will just pop her down on the table here. I did switch up my room a little bit. So behind me is the desk where I get all my orders ready. And I thought I would film in this direction instead of just top down all the time. This little box here is from Whimsy Wigs. So we did a lovely little trade. I'm just finishing up on some shorts for her order. So we're going to open it very carefully and see what we have inside. So very excited to see. Got some, ooh, look, little stickers. Got some lovely stickers. We have some treats because everyone needs some sugar, of course. Thank you so much. I've got a little note in here. So we will just carefully open it. Don't want to break things, of course. So we've got a little note and lovely little photo there as well. Aw, thanks for the tradings. And I do not mind trading at all. I know with my gals, because I create a lot of things, that sometimes I don't even consider thinking about trades, because I'm just so immersed in the world of making. So here, these are, sorry about the scrambles, some lovely yarn wigs. So I know she was working hard on getting the yarn wigs up and running. So we have a lovely little pink one first, pink and white, and got some lovely cap work there too. I'm gonna try and pop this on our girl down here. I did this little wig out of some alpaca earlier, but I thought maybe we would do some pink that will fit this gal. And we will work on some styling here. So we got a fit. It's a mini fee wig as well. So I think it's gonna work for her. I will do a little like heat molding for her. But I'm kind of liking where we're getting to. Do some little bangs over an ear. So we've got some good stuff going on. I like it. I will do some pictures on my Instagram, of course, which you can find me. Doll dedicated one is Stellar BJD Accessories. So that's on Instagram. So we got a cute little face happening there with that one. Let's see what else we got here. Number 2. Oh my goodness. These just go right beside my sewing machine. And you need the extra sugar while you're sewing. Right? That's what everyone needs while they're sewing, I think. So next we have a lovely little USD dual color here. So we have black and we have some little lilac purple. So I did request that she do this color for one of my lovely little Peakswood back here, mini vampire gals. It's actually even a boy. I think this one is the Sir Tin sculpt from Peakswoods there. And I could never quite find a wig that I like for this. And I did her with a very light face up, white hair. Her sister, if you will, has all dark hair because she's the mischievous one. So let's see what we look like with this little one on. Ooh, nice. I'm loving it. Well, let's just get a little twist going on right there. And then she's a dark side as well. So I think that suits her much better than the little pink and blue one. And when we're doing photos with her and her sis, I think that will work much better. Yeah, I think we can work with that. Lovely. I might tune up her face up a little bit as well. So that's in the works and in the plan, but I think that works so much better for her. Thank you again. So you stay right there. And we have one last one. Again, if we want our little vampire to go full dark, or if I wanted to change up her sister from, she has a longer black wig, to a shorter one. We did get a lovely little shorter one there. So for fun, we'll see what our little bob looks like here. These are all super soft, lovely on the head. I like always tilting my bobs to be asymmetrical. I do like the asymmetrical little heads. Oh, that's pretty adorable too. Okay, little asymmetrical bob there. Super sweet. And again, very soft. Well done. Little soft caps on there. So they can kind of mold to the shape of your doll's head. I'm going to put the lilac one back on. I do enjoy this color split here. And dense enough so that I can do some combing and kind of put them in little braids on either side if I wanted to. Kind of mix it up. So that's the fun of some of the yarn wigs as well. So we will put her, you keep yourself right back there. Stay. Okay, we're going to pop these aside for the moment. And the other evil genius place to order from is Yahoo Japan. So their EMS shipping is back on the roll. And I have a doll waiting that I have maybe a dying project to do. But this was ordered after that doll. That doll's sitting in customs right now. And these are just some boots and some wigs. So I do like ordering wigs. This is all wigs. Wrapped very nicely, compact as it gets. I've never received a super untidy package from them. Though I try to limit my watching there because it's super easy to just order more things. We will see. Now these wigs are for the big girls. I have them up there above me. But I'm hoping these little boots will fit one of my MSC girls here. My little Monica has gigantic feet. So, and I've made her boots. I am an on again, off again boot lover, but I was thinking they might go well with her too. Oh, and these boots are even stuffed with little like boot keepers. So she's wearing shorts right now. Not entirely boot appropriate. But 1 second. Everyone has had this moment where you're trying to dress your doll and things just fall off of them. But that definitely, and this gal likes her butt to move around, definitely fits. Love the look of that. Come back here, you little wig. You were looking so good. Bam, bam. Now, I always advise people, make sure your dolls are, and especially wigs, as I can tell from experience, do not let your dogs eat them. I do have a little blog post of how I rectified that when one dog ate a Frapzilla wig, so it was not a fun day. Managed to save it, but not a good day. All right, so seed on the boots, thumbs up for the boots. We have black wig. And this is one I'm thinking for the upcoming gal. Thinking of dyeing her blue, we'll see. It was like $1 bid, which ended up going a little higher, but under 200 bucks for a 3rd scale doll. This wig will need a little brush out. It is just black. I know it's hard to see, but very full black. May also go, I will one day get a Tristan Peakswoods vampire doll. Maybe this Halloween. We'll see. But that's quite nice. It's actually quite nice. Very happy. And my girls, depending on what I've sewn or what needs to be modeled, I do enjoy switching them up. So having lots of different wigs to play with is always awesome. Now this last one here, I don't know how well this will hold up over time. It managed to arrive okay. It's got the little horn piggy tails. I like the pigtails. I don't know why. The purple is quite nice. It's a little bit crazy with the flyaways, so we will try and protect that. But yeah, I thought, I'm not sure which gal will be grabbing this or wearing this. The pigtail parts are sewn in, so you just gotta hope they hang on. And I would say possibly some extra stitching maybe would be in order. Let's see, can you get a little close up back there? I'm just gonna stand up for a second and let's grab this gal. She has a very shortish skirt on. And just see if it can fit Delphi Dream Head here. We've got a little doll get together this weekend, so came right in time to have just party time. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. So anyway, that's my fun mail day. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, you just gotta search the Yahoo Japans to find items similar to this. They kind of sell them all the time. There's not a specific shop. I know there's a couple different shops. Or if you've been wondering how they fit on dolls or look in real life size-wise. Weeping Whimsy Wigs, like I said, awesome little wigs. She can hand make to whichever your color or specifications. So I know she definitely has ability for mini fees. And my loosest there is very similar size to that. Well, I don't know, she might have to rock a little crazy hair with this little outfit. This outfit with just a slightly longer skirt, maybe coming for fall. So keep your eyes on the website and the Instagram. And yeah, I'll try it on our little Monica here too. So we'll see, because usually these wigs all transferable. Everything looks good on the little Monicas. So we've got her there as well. Fits really great on them too. This is the little Sophia from Little Monica. So yeah, these girls will just continue to fight over all the wigs that I have, as per usual. So hopefully you enjoyed that a little bit. We'll see if I do a few more of these little box openings as I get some stuff in. And any other videos that you might like to see, you can always request. But otherwise, stay safe, wear your masks, and keep on playing. Thanks. Bye. Let's see. Can you get a little close up back there? Fit Delphi Dream head here. We got a little doll get together this weekend, so came right in time to have just party time. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. So anyway, that's my fun mail day. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, you just got to search the Yahoo Japans to find items similar to this. They kind of sell them all the time. There's not a specific shop. I know there's a couple different shops. Or if you've been wondering how they fit on dolls or look in real life size-wise. Weeping Whimsy wigs, like I said, awesome little wigs. She can hand make to whichever your color or specifications. So I know she definitely has ability for mini fees. And my Lucis there is a very similar size to that. Well, I don't know, she might have to rock a little crazy hair with this little outfit. This outfit with just a slightly longer skirt, maybe coming for fall. So keep your eyes on the website and the Instagram. And yeah, I'll try it on our little Monica here too. So we'll see, because usually these wigs all transferable. Everything looks good on the little Monicas. So we've got her there as well. Fits really great on them too. This is the little Sophia from Little Monica. So yeah, these girls will just continue to fight over all the wigs that I have, as per usual. So hopefully you enjoyed that a little bit. We'll see if I do a few more of these little box openings as I get some stuff in. And any other videos that you might like to see, you can always request. But otherwise, stay safe, wear your masks, and keep on playing. Thanks. Bye.